How to use Salesforce for customer service. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce for customer service. Let's get started. First, connect your Salesforce environment with your website. One common way to do this is through Salesforce sites. Go to Salesforce Setup, search for Remote Site Settings. From there, you can configure external links and integrations. Keep in mind that the options available to you might vary depending on your Salesforce plan or license. Next, once you've integrated your site, you'll want to start storing customer data inside Salesforce using standard objects like contacts, cases, and accounts. This is essential for keeping track of customer interactions and support history. Next, set up automation to streamline your support system. Head over to Setup, click Flows. Salesforce flows are powerful tools that let you automate processes based on customer input or system triggers. Here's how to get started. Click New Flow. Choose the type of flow you want. For customer service, a stream flow is often ideal. You can either start with a template or build from scratch. For example, you might create a flow that collects customer details through a form, assigns a support case, send a follow-up email, notifies the appropriate agent. Use elements like get records, assignments, and decisions to customize how your flow reacts to different situations. And that's it. You have successfully used Salesforce for customer service. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.